this modern marvel on Costa Brava in Shell Beach, California, offering sweeping views of the San Luis Bay and the Pacific Ocean. This light and bright, beautiful kitchen looks out into the Pacific Ocean, and all the details were captured in the design, including a waterfall ledge. Built-in trash can in the island. Even a spice rack is built in. They ironed out all the details in this beautiful home when it was designed. This customized floor plan is open, high ceilings, beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean. With the modern layout, orientation, and finishes, this house is perfect for anyone. The powder bathroom has an accent wall that was painted to match the tile in the bathroom and the elevator. All the windows throughout this high-end modern home are Pella windows. The house has a security system throughout, security cameras to monitor the property. It's set up with remote controls for lighting, the garage door. This is a modern marvel of a home. One of the many beautiful features about this stunning home is this grand foyer as you walk in through the front door or from your garage door. Welcome to your at-home workspace and entertainment studio. This lower front bedroom inside of this amazing home offers beautiful views of the Pacific Ocean, a walkout access entry to the front patio. This backyard is gorgeous. It's prime for entertaining. I'm looking straight out to the Pacific Ocean. I'm enjoying this large patio. It has ambient lighting and down lighting. It has a beautiful built-in back barbecue and countertop, bar area, and refrigerator. It has a garden and turf for easy and low maintenance enjoyment of the Central Coast. Thank you for watching. Please contact your realtor to come and see this great house today.